And that's the most important thing about using this bucket is burn it in the thing, talk about how you piss off the neighbors, but you don't care because whatever, there are no fireplaces in this cookie cutter type of houses. So the first time they smell smoke, it's a 5-star alarm, and Smokey the Bear comes running over to my house telling me how climate change is happening and that I need to dispose of them in the correct manner. You know, I don't care, man. I'm a wild boy because I burn stuff. And the nice thing about burning stuff is it teaches me how to handle fire. Yeah, something I wasn't taught as a kid and as a Boy Scout. So now that I can handle fire, I'm a dangerous man. It's my own little superpower that I can. Here I am editing the video to my Vacmaster vacuum cleaner that I ordered from Amazon. I typically make videos on motorcycles, cars, and tools, and guess what? This vacuum cleaner is a tool that I purchased so I can get rid of the dust bunnies and cigarette butts out of my garage. I'm too lazy to use the dustpan, so why not vacuum it up? I also like to take my mail and important information and burn it in my fire pit in the backyard, piss off the neighbors. I'm too lazy to bring it over to the shredder. Nonetheless, I like to remove the evidence with this vacuum cleaner that I purchased from Amazon. Link in the description. Click that link so I get paid. Like it's for the next guy so he gets to watch the video. Also, in this video, I assemble the vacuum cleaner for your viewing pleasure. I'm not going to talk much. This is the last time I talk in the video, so enjoy. It's fine and dandy that the Vacmaster vacuum cleaner worked and all, except the hose is a little bit too small after the bucket, so I ordered these hose extensions from Amazon. Looks like they're currently unavailable. Maybe I ordered the last one, but as soon as they restock the stock, be sure to order these so you can extend your hose. Inside of this hose box, they have 4 different adapters. There's only 3 in here because there's one already on it. I can't seem to get that one off. I've tried tightening it. I've tried loosening it. It's going to stay on. So